Well, ladies and gentlemen, the most important moment of today's event is here. So please put your hands together, and we are all ready to listen to the words of wisdom from the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for the inaugural address. देवी और सज्जनों स्वागत कीजिए श्री नरेंद्र मोदी.
Namaste. My cabinet colleague,
Namaste.
Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri B.S. Yedurappa ji, and all my dear friends from the tech world. It is also fitting that technology is helping organize this important summit on technology. Friends, we launched Digital India Mission 5 years back. Today, I'm glad to say that Digital India is no longer being seen as any regular government initiative. Digital India has become a way of life, particularly for the poor, marginalized, and for those in government. Thanks to Digital India, our nation has witnessed a more human-centric approach to development. Using technology on such a large scale has brought about several life changes for our citizens. The benefits are for everyone to see. Our government has successfully created a market for digital and tech solutions, but it has made technology a key part of all schemes. Our governance model is technology first. Through technology, we have enhanced human dignity. Millions of farmers receive monetary support in one click. At the peak of the COVID-19 lockdown, it was technology that ensured that India's poor received proper and quick assistance. The scale of this relief has few parallels. If India is successfully operating the world's largest healthcare scheme, Ayushman Bharat, it is due to a big role of technology. This scheme has specially helped the poor of India. Now, they no longer have to worry about access to top quality and affordable health care in any part of India. Our government has used the power of data analytics to ensure better service delivery and efficiency. Internet came to India around 25 years ago. As per the report, the number of internet connections recently crossed the 750 million milestone. But do you know that over half of these numbers joined in the last 4 years only. Technology is the prime reason our schemes have gone beyond files and changed lives of the people at such a speed and scale. Today, when we are able to help the poor build their home at an unprecedented scale, speed and transparency, it is thanks to technology. Today, when we are able to provide electricity to almost all households, technology has played a key role.